Today we painted our gardens and we did pink and like a lot of neon colors. And we also made bottles and then we drew on them and we put our note inside of them. And my note to the ocean was talking about how much they bring to my culture and how much I appreciate them. My call to action is to recycle because it goes into the ocean, and when it goes into the ocean, a fish eats it because they think it's food, and plastic does not digest, so they think they're full, and when they think and they can just starve, but in case they don't starve, another animal can eat them, and they think that they have food inside of them, they can also die off, and it's just an ongoing cycle, so recycle, guys. Yeah.
I loved about the ocean, and you should do something similar too, and you should really find out what murals are and how they do affect our ocean and all the gyres, I think that's what it's called, that contain all of this garbage and all the stuff that we use in our daily lives, like shoes, buttons, earrings, glasses, what the things that you put in the trash, actually like how they affect our ecosystem in our daily lives as well.
Yeah, and I'm an aspiring marine biologist. Today we went outside and painted the Safe Planting Ocean garden bed. And we painted it white, pink, and blue in neon colors. And today we wrote a message to the ocean. My message was for the ocean to disregard all the plastic people throw into it. And I wrote in this cute bottle. I decorated with spirals, hearts, and starfish. And I wrote a kind message to the ocean, talking about how pretty the ocean is and how the waves look really nice. And the call to action is don't litter.
My call to action is recycle more.
A message to the ocean, talking, and it's just motivating it to stay strong from plastic.
I'm a marine biologist, aquatics explorer, and today we painted garden beds for our ocean-friendly garden, and we made messages in a bottle to throw into the ocean. And I wrote a poem to protect the ocean, explaining how it's not replaceable and how we should protect it. And my call to action to you guys is to reuse plastic a lot more.
And today we painted garden beds, but also I made a message on the bottle with a message to the ocean in it. And I basically just wrote like why I'm thankful for it a little bit, and like a little note, as if it was a person. And then I decorated my bottle with hearts and stars. Okay, and my call to action would just be to preserve the ocean's beauty however you can.
I created a bottle with no inside to the ocean. My connection to the ocean is how like I connect with the fish and their understanding of life. And my call to action is to keep the oceans clean and to spread love in the message. Thank you.
I made a bottle with a note inside for the ocean. My connection with the ocean is the animals and trying to preserve it, and my call to action is to preserve the ocean and make sure to let everyone know it's beauty.
To start off with the projects we did, we painted the garden boxes, which is gonna be our garden that's gonna be safe for the ocean and no runoffs or pesticides and native plants to Florida. With the bottle, we got decorated with stickers and markers with a note inside that is expressing our love for the ocean, or I kind of wrote about how I'm sorry we pollute you and to try to conserve it. And call to action, like I said, try to conserve the ocean because we only have one, and then we can't really always ship ourselves to another planet.
Nurdles is a very bad thing, and it makes plastic. Plastic is not really good for our ocean or good for us in general. It makes us sick, it pollutes the oceans, and we have to stop making plastic and nurdles. So that was my call to action.